So in the last video, we finished a stripe function, but we ended with a couple of functions that we still needed to write, and that one of them is product sold. Now, product sold, what it does is it reduces the quantity for the specific item bought in the database and insert the bought items into the TrxOrderItems table with TrxOrderID. So basically, when our customer buys, let's say, 5 chicken legs, then the available quantity should decrease from 300 to 295. That is what the product sold function does. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to assign cart items. So we want to grab whatever is in the cart and we'll assign that to cart items. Now also we want to make a new array for holding IDs, and then we want to loop over cart items and throw all the IDs from cart items into the array we just created. Now after that, we want to take the array we created to find all the products with our array. So we do an org product.where ID equals array, and we'll grab all the products that we need. Now for each product, we're going to loop through it with the function each with index, and that's probably a function that you haven't seen, but it's exactly the same as .each, except we have an index that we can use now. Now, the next thing that we want to do after this is we want to put an end there, of course. We want to do queue cart items dot find with the closure of item dot or product ID equals product ID. So I've seen this before. All we're doing is we're finding the cart item that maps to this product, because products doesn't have the quantity that the user wants to buy. It has the available quantity but not the quantity. So we need to look for the quantity in the cart item, in the cart items, and we need to find the product that maps to the product that we got from the database and find how much of a quantity is our customer buying. So after we found the quantity, what we want to do is we want to update the available quantity in org product after the sale, and we want to save it. So we do a products.available quantity is equal to product.available quantity to I to make it an integer minus q.quantity. And then after that, what we want to do is do a product.save. And after our product.save, what I want to do is, let's put a space here. What I want to do is I want to create the hash to insert into the TrxOrderItems. So what I do is I do an order item equals hash, and I want to do name is equal to product.name. Description is equal to product.description. And all this refers to our TrxOrderItem. So all these columns, that's what we're trying to fill in. So we want to do this for the rest of things. So for weight in grams, we use product weight in grams, price, product price, available quantity, product available quantity. Quantity here, we use q.quantity because products doesn't have it, but it's available in our cards, so we use q.quantity. Expiry date, we grab it from product, image from product, delivery status 0 because it hasn't delivered yet. Or product ID is product ID, and so on. And we get our orders from order.id. We get from the parameter our order company ID, we get from our product order company ID, and our shipping address ID we get from our parameter as well. So after that, we still have two more. We have something called net amount and tax amount. So what we want to do here is we want to do net amount is equal to product.price times quantity.price. So what we do is we add fees and taxes on top of the price. So the net amount is always price plus tax plus fees minus tax minus fees. And our tax amount is equal to our product.price times q quantity times product.tax amount divided by 100. So that's our taxes paid. And then we can insert this into our TrxOrderItems table. So what we do is we do item, well, we do item is equal to TrxOrderItem find or initialized by TrxOrderID, which we use our order ID, shipping address ID, and or product ID. And that will create the item in our TrxOrderItems table. And after that, since we create the item, a lot of these variables aren't or columns aren't updated yet because we just created the items with 3 columns being filled in. So what we want to do is we do item.update order item to fill in all the columns of TrxOrderItem that we have just created. Other than that, I think we are good with this product sold function. So that's how we adjust the available quantity that is in our available quantity or our org products table when someone buys items from our org products table. Other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys later in our next episode where we will take a look at our strip success function. Thanks for watching.